Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade aloe vera gel for hair. First, choose a mature aloe vera leaf, ideally one that is at least 6 inches long from a healthy plant. Wash the leaf thoroughly to remove any dirt. Then, cut the base of the leaf and stand it upright in a cup for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the yellow latex, called aloe, to drain out, which can be irritating. Next, carefully trim the spiky edges from both sides of the aloe vera leaf. Once the edges are removed, slice the leaf lengthwise down the middle. This will expose the clear, gooey gel inside. Using a spoon, gently scoop out all of the translucent aloe vera gel. Be sure to get as much as possible, avoiding any green parts of the leaf. Now transfer the scooped gel into a blender. Process it on high for about 30 seconds until it becomes a smooth, liquid consistency. To extend its shelf life, add 1 teaspoon of a natural preservative, such as vitamin E oil, for every half cup of gel. Finally, pour your homemade aloe vera gel into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. To use your fresh aloe vera gel, apply it directly to your scalp and hair, ensuring even coverage. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate. Afterwards, rinse your hair thoroughly with cool water and shampoo as you normally would. This can help soothe your scalp and add shine. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your healthy, homemade hair treatment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.